let's say that you want to make your drawing going in this continuous motion like this, so what you have to do is, okay, so let me stop it. What you have to do is you come there, okay, right? Now you come there, okay, and then you hold on your keyboard, you hold shift, and then depending with the speed that you're gonna go and the direction that you're going at. So they say I go from right to the left with a certain speed. Now it's gonna keep that speed rotating, that speed, okay. So let's stop it. Let's say that I want to go from the bottom to bottom up, so a certain speed. Now we go with that speed, right? Now let's say that I want to go now from left to right with a certain speed. Now it keeps that speed, okay, depending with the speed that, let's say I go this speed. See, this is how it goes. So I hope that this was helpful, okay. So please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.